Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. I welcome you all once again online teaching classes. Today I will start the chapter 5 sports training. The performance in almost all the sports has dramatically progressed over the past few years. The reason behind today games and sports is a specialized field. It required a specific scientific and systematical types of training to improve performance of the player. The program of training process is known as sports training. Sports training is the branch of science which helps to increase the sports performance. It also guides us the correct methods to perform physical activity. The program of sports training also guides us the preventive, safe and correct ways of performing physical activity. Nowadays, every sports competition is becoming tough. Thus, the best training methods are developed and used to prove the excellence. Meaning and concept of training. Training is organized instruction. It is planned teaching learning process aimed at performance enhancement in the field of activity. It is nothing new. It is no recent discovery. In ancient times also, people systematically trained for military and Olympic level games. Training is defined as a methodical ways of preparing oneself to achieve some predetermined goals. A soldier trained to fight in a war, a pilot trained to fly in an aeroplane, a mechanic trains to prepare an automobile. In the same way, an athlete trained to perform and show excellence in the sports of his or her choice. In each of these cases, the individual is required to undergo some formal skills course like sports training. In the simple word, we can say that these are the methods to improve general and specific performance in games and sports. It gives us knowledge, practical and theoretical, regarding performance and also guide us how to improve further through different ways. Its knowledge is good for coaches as well as important for a player. We have a definitions also. According to Matthew, sports training is the basics form of preparation of a sports person. Training method consists of training periods which split into training session, and training sessions are further divided into training schedules. Like macro cycle, months workout plan, mesocycle, weeks workout plan, and microcycle, days workout plan. It has three parts. Number one, preparatory period, competition period and transitional period. According to preparatory means how to prepare a sportsman. In this period, player achieve the physical fitness and skills efficiency for the competition. It is practiced in three phases. Number one, in this phase of training, the player develops the general abilities relating to physical fitness like strength and endurance along with the basic skills. It is perfected about 4, 5, 6 months practice in an annually planned training methods. Phase 2, in this phase of training, player develop the specific physical fitness abilities like speed, flexibility and coordination. It is done about 2 months practice. phase 3. In this phase of training, the player develop the tactics and strategies, means how to play, how to get the advantage, how to win the match, all these strategies, and tries to achieve every perfection for the competition. Next we have competition period. In this period, player participates for competition and aims to achieve top performance in competition. Initially, some practice competition or practice matches are played where the mistakes are corrected. Means when the competition is coming close, we have to organize some matches, and what mistakes are repeating teams or sports person, that can be corrected. Next we have transitional period, means off season. This is a relaxing period after competition. In this period, player gets recovery from competition stress and maintain physical abilities for the next competition. Here children, we have covered the preparatory period, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, competition period and transitional period. In my next video, we will discuss about importance of sports training. Till the time, take care. Thank you very much.